Hey everyone, this is Daniel with BadgePass, and what we're doing today is updating our issuance rules with current rules that have been already created with new badge designs. So I know that a lot of organizations, maybe over time, want to update their badge design, maybe add a new logo, change the colors, things like that. So I'm going to show you in this video how you can create a new badge design and associate it with the already established issuance rule and how that process goes. It's going to be super easy, so let's go ahead and get started here. So to get started, you're going to want to have created the badge design already in BadgePass Studio. If you are wondering how to do that, check out our video on how to design badge designs. But if you go into Studio, you can already have that design created, all set to go and ready. And then as long as that badge has already been saved, you can go ahead and edit that issuance rule in the portal. You can make your way over to the portal and access the apps section. Here you can select the app that you want to change the issuance rule for and select that set issuance rules button. Here, what you'll notice is that there is already an issuance rule created. If you want to create a whole new one, you can. But if you're just wanting to swap out that new badge design, it's a lot easier to select that issuance rule and select that pencil icon that allows you to edit. Here, what you'll notice is that it has everything detailed out in terms of that issuance rule. And what you'll want to do is either change that rule condition if that's what you're wanting to do. In this case, we want to change that badge. So what we would do is change the current credential set, hit that modify button. You'll select that credential. In this case, we're just going to select that photo ID credential. If you don't know how to select or create new credentials, make sure you check out that video as well. It's going to make a lot more sense after you've watched that. But in this case, we'll go ahead and select that credential. You'll select next. You'll want to change it to that new badge design that is titled differently in this case. So you'll go ahead and select that, hit next. You'll associate it to the printer that you want for this case, and then go ahead and select next. Here, what you'll do is verify for accuracy, and then you can go ahead and continue. Here, it's gonna ask if you would like to set another credential. You can just go ahead and select no, and then confirm. That's how you can go ahead and change that issuance rule, make some modifications to current issuance rules that you already have, and then add new badge designs. You can change the criteria for different fields that are triggering for this particular issuance rule. So that's really going to be the easiest way to edit any issuance rules moving forward and adding new badge designs. So I encourage you, check this out, try it out, add a new badge design. You can add new colors, logos to your current badge. Make sure it looks exactly how you want it to look like. And if you have any questions, please reach out to us. We're always more than happy to help.